Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and basic connectivity. Check battery level and plug in for 10 minutes if dead, because some devices need a minimum charge to boot. Once done, visually inspect the cable, connectors, ear cups, and headband for breaks. Small frays cause big problems. Next, connect the headset to a second device to determine whether the problem is the headset or the original host. This early split saves time and narrows the repair path effectively. You now open the affected ear cup carefully, using the right screwdriver and organizing screws by location so reassembly is precise. Once inside, look for loose wires, cracked solder joints, or displaced drivers. Use a multimeter to check continuity and measure resistance compared to the working side. If a wire is broken, strip a small section and resolder or use a jumper. If a driver is damaged beyond spec, replace it. Make measured fixes rather than brute force to preserve alignment and sound staging. You reassemble the headset in reverse order, ensuring wiring is routed as before and screws are snug but not over-torqued. Then perform an immediate functional test at moderate volume to protect hearing. Next, verify microphone and wireless pairing in your device settings. Make sure firmware and audio drivers are current because software often mimics hardware faults. If an issue remains, swap suspect modules or run a factory reset to isolate the failing component. If still unresolved, consider professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.